This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can change and adjust the video recording duration on this device. So first, open the camera view. Here, go into video mode, make sure that the video shooting mode is selected. Then open the shooting parameters, go into duration, and select how long you want your videos to be. Or if you do not want for this duration to be even switched on, so you would like to manually stop the video recording once you need to, you can set it to the infinite value, like it was in the beginning of this video. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.